Hello and welcome to this course. In this course, we will build a classified advertisement website with React and Firebase, where users will be able to buy and sell products. Alright, so now let's see the demo. This is the landing page where we are displaying ads from Firestore. Also, we can filter ads by category and sort by price. So here, electronics, filtered by category electronics, and vehicle. Also, we can sort by price. So price high, low. Now ads are being displayed price high to low. And price low. So now it's price low to high. Now let's create a new user. Username and email. Password 123123 and confirm password. So I am now logged in and redirected to home page. An authenticated user can mark any ad as favorite or remove from favorite. So let's try it this one. Click on this heart icon and icon changed. It's now favorite. Also, user can see all the ads favorited by him in my favorites. So this is the ad, and if I remove it from favorite, remove from here as well, and if I go to my favorites again, no favorite ad. And in profile, so in profile page we will display user information, and also user will be able to upload or remove his profile photo, and on right side we will display all the ads published by this user. So let's add a profile photo, edit, upload photo, and select photo. So photo is uploaded to Firebase storage, and I can also remove my profile photo, remove photo, and it's gone, and this is the placeholder icon. Now let's create an ad. So go to this cell. So upload image, and here user can upload single or multiple images. So let's try this one. And now title for the ad. Click create. Ad is created and it's here. And also in profile page, this is the ad published by me. I'm logged in as Afan right now, and if I click on this ad, it will take me to the ad detail page. Seller can remove his ad, and as well as seller can mark the ad as sold. Show contact info will reveal the contact information. Let me open another window. So if I click on this same ad, now I don't see the contact information of seller because it's only for authenticated user. And if I click login to see contact info, let's log in with the user. Now I'm logged in and redirected back to the ad page. This will be useful if we have so many ads on our site. So if we are viewing an ad upon login, we will be redirected back to the ad page and we don't have to scroll to find that specific ad. And there is one more thing, this chat with seller option. It's not available for the seller, it's only for buyer. So here you can see. Here I am logged in as the seller of this ad. I don't see that option. Now let's chat with the seller, and we will click this chat with seller. And here we are rendering seller's name, the ad title, and if seller has image then we will display it here. So let's send a message. And here for seller there is an indicator here at chat link that there is a new unread message. So let's click on this link. This is the message from user Farhan, and this is the ad title, and this is the last message, which is the only message for now, and the background is blue, which represents that there is an unread message in this chat. So now let's click on this. Blue background is gone, and also the indicator here is also gone because now we have read the message. And the UI updated for both of the users instantly. User don't have to refresh the page to view the new message. And now you can see blue background and also an indicator here to show that there is a new message. And here we are also displaying the ad information and view ad button, which will take to the ad detail page here. And also we are tracking the online status of user. This green circle, it means that this user is currently online, and when user goes offline it will turn to red. So let's log out, and here I am logged in as Afan. So log out, and here you can see it turned red, and it's also real time just like the messages. We will also implement forgot password and reset password functionality. So if I click on forgot password, click send. So an email is sent containing password reset instructions. So now let's check email. Here in junk there is a new email, and this is the reset password email. Click on this link. Now here we can reset password. So earlier it was 123123. So now test 1234, test 1234, reset, and password is successfully reset. And here if I try to log in with old password 123123, login, Firebase error, wrong password, and with new password, test 1234. Now I can log in. Also, so seller can mark his ad as sold. So let's try it now. Mark as sold. The mark as sold button disappeared, and also we are displaying sold here so that buyer knows that product is no longer available, and it's also here as well. And finally, let's try deleting the ad. Okay, ad is deleted and redirected to the profile page, and there are no ads now. So we will work with Firebase authentication, Firestore as our database, and Firebase storage to store images. So that was the demo of what we are going to build in this course. Okay, so let's create a new React app. So open terminal and make sure you have Node.js installed. Type npx create React app, provide app name, and then hit enter. Alright, so it will take some time to finish. Let's go to browser and we will initialize a Firebase project. So go to console.firebase.google.com and click create project. We need to provide a name, so I will call it ads network. Click continue. I will disable the Google Analytics. Now our project is being created. Alright, so it's done. Now here on this project page, click on web app. We will create a web application. We will provide a name, register app, continue to console. We will be using Firebase authentication, Firestore and storage in this project. So let's set up. Click on build and first authentication. Click on get started. And here we need to enable the method we will be using. So in our case it will be email password. So click on email password and here enable. Now save. Alright, so email password provider is enabled. Now we will go to Firestore. On this Cloud Firestore, click create database. And during development we will work in test mode. So click on test, start in test mode and then next. Select the region nearest you and click enable. And then Firebase storage. Test mode and click next and done. Alright, so it's done. Now let's head back to terminal. React app installation is done. Now let's cd into the project directory. And now I will install a few packages which we will be using in this project. So npm install Firebase, React router DOM, movement, React movement. These two are for formatting data, and React icons. Now this will take some time, so I will pause here and we will be back once it's done. Okay, so packages are installed. Now let's open the project in code editor. So I will use Visual Studio Code. Now I'll clean this up a little bit to remove the files we don't need. App.test, logo, report, web vitals, setup test. And in index.js we need to remove this reference of report web vital, and from here as well. And in app.js we need to remove this logo import. Okay, one last thing here, we need to bring the Firebase configuration. So here click on this setting gear, project setting, and copy this block of code. And here in source I will create a file, Firebase config. This code should not be part of version control. So let's store these values in environment variable. So at the root level create .env. And with React, we need to start our environment variable with React underscore app and then the name of variable. Storage bucket. Let's add underscore here as well. And then project ID. Messaging sender ID. App ID. And we need to remove these quotes as well and the ending comma. Okay, so here we will reference it process.env.react app the name of the variable API key auth domain project ID storage bucket messaging sender ID and finally app ID. Okay, here we need to add one more property database URL. Process.env.react app database URL. And its value will be https our project name .firebase.io.com and make sure to add this .env file in gitignore. Now if we run the server. Alright, so now let's add bootstrap as well. So I will get the CDN link. Here in public index and the title and then the JavaScript link. Okay, so basic setup is completed. So in the next lesson we will start working on a basic navbar and then user registration.